Hey guys, welcome to Chicken Fried Kitchen. Today we're making Southern baked mac and cheese. Rich, creamy, layered with real cheese, and baked until the top is perfectly golden. And I'll show you exactly how to keep it smooth and creamy instead of dry or grainy. For this recipe, you'll need elbow macaroni, chicken bouillon powder, whole milk, evaporated milk, Cajun seasoning, cayenne pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, kosher salt, butter, Velveeta, pepper jack cheese, sharp cheddar cheese, mild cheddar cheese, and shredded mozzarella. Begin by slicing the butter, cubing the Velveeta, and shredding the cheeses. Now, what makes this Southern style mac and cheese different is that we're not making a traditional roux-based cheese sauce. Instead, the pasta finishes cooking in seasoned milk while it bakes, which keeps everything rich and creamy. That's also why we boil the pasta just shy of al dente. It's going to finish in the oven. Bring a pot of water to a boil, stir in the chicken bouillon, then add the macaroni. Boil the pasta until just before al dente. You don't want it fully cooked here. If it's too soft now, it'll turn mushy after baking. Once the pasta is done boiling, strain it and run it under cold water to stop the cooking process. That prevents carryover cooking and keeps the texture exactly where we want it. Then preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, in the same pot used to boil the pasta, whisk together the whole milk, evaporated milk, Cajun seasoning, cayenne pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and kosher salt. Make sure everything is fully combined before adding the pasta back in. This is where the flavor base is built. If this mixture is under-seasoned, the whole dish will taste flat, so don't skip that step. Next, stir the cooked macaroni into the seasoned milk mixture until evenly coated. Spoon about a quarter of the macaroni into the bottom of a 9x13 baking dish. Then layer in some of the sliced butter, cubed Velveeta, shredded pepper jack, and sharp cheddar. Repeat those layers until everything is used. I like for there to be big bites of gooey Velveeta in my mac and cheese. If you don't, either cube it smaller than I have or stir the mac and cheese about halfway through the cook time to evenly distribute it. Lastly, cover the top with shredded mild cheddar and any remaining mozzarella or pepper jack that you might have. Bake at 350 degrees for about 40 minutes or until hot and bubbling around the edges. Then switch the oven to broil, about 550 degrees, to the low broil setting and watch it closely. This is not the time to walk away. The top can go from perfectly golden to burnt in seconds. You're looking for bubbling edges and a deep golden crust across the top. Once it reaches your desired color, remove it from the oven and let it rest for about 15 minutes before serving. This step really matters. If you cut into it too soon, it'll look loose and kind of runny. Give it time to set and you'll get clean, creamy slices that still pull apart beautifully. Don't forget, you can always check the description for the full ingredient list and step-by-step instructions. If you love comfort food recipes like this Southern baked mac and cheese, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, share, and hit the bell so you don't miss future recipes just like this one. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments how your mac and cheese turned out, and as usual, happy cooking.